As it please the court. In cross-examination, it was put to you that Mr. Shangala, with regard to his health issues, that obtaining permission from the ACC has not been easy. You recall that?
Yes.
Now, I just want to find out from you, does the ACC have control over persons who are in the cells at the correctional facility? Who has control over the persons?
We have control over them.
Okay. It was also put to you that his conditions are, let me just, exacerbated by him being kept in custody. You recall that?
Yes.
Okay. I just want to find out from you, are you aware of his conditions getting worse?
No, it was never brought under my attention.
Okay. Would this be something that will be brought to your attention by the medical practitioners at the correctional services?
Yes, I would have been informed if there was such a situation.
All right. And from the applicant himself, was this brought to your attention?
No, he didn't.
Oh, okay. I have no further questions, Kaboshi.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Arnas. Thank you for even coming to testify. You are excused. You may step down.
And thank you very much. Why do I do this?
Or just leave it there.
Okay.
That's our case. Your Lordship, that is the case for the state, but there's still, I think, just one pending issue regarding the record that needs to be submitted before Mr. Ngipunya. I think we'll resolve that. We'll submit it at the end of proceedings.
Which record?
In the magistrate's court, because his application was a bail application on new facts. No, I don't think there's any dispute about submitting that record, Your Lordship, for Mr. Ngipunya, because the court needs to know what are the new facts relied on. So I think that needs to be resolved as well.
Yes, Mr. Patela.
Lord, I have no objection if my learned friend wants to bring that record for purposes of demonstrating certain aspects. But the witnesses having testified, I do not know how you bring it. If it's brought subject to the normal rules, my Lord.
No. Remember, Mr. Ngipunya stands in a total different category from the other 5 applicants, because he applied for bail.
Yes, my Lord.
Bail was refused. He appealed. The appeal was dismissed. Am I correct?
Yes, my Lord.
So he has come back to court on new facts. So it is just fair that the record of proceedings in the previous bail, because you see, that ruling and that decision still stands.
Yes, my Lord. Like I said, I have no objection if the record is brought. I think maybe the modalities of how it's brought, that's what we can discuss.
Yeah, all that, you see, there's no it's a record of proceedings in his bail application. Mm-hmm. All that needs to be done is to be certified and then placed before court.
That is in order, my Lord.
Oh, I see you are getting instructions. It's just fair.
Yeah, I think, my Lord, we will deal with this in our, when we understand where His Lordship comes from. We still...
No, I come from nowhere.
Yes. From the beginning, my Lord, that's where you come from, where we started. We know the etymology of this ruling, my Lord. We believe we'll also deal with that when we make our submissions. But yes, the record can be availed. I don't have a problem with the record being availed.
Okay.
Yes. So that's why I was saying modalities of where maybe can be brought, all those administrative things. But if His Lordship wants me to deal with those now, I can.
Sorry?
If His Lordship wants me to deal with those modalities...
No. You see...
We can...
I just want us to be clear on the way forward. That's
yes,
all.
My Lord.
Nothing else.
That is in order, my Lord.
All right.
All right.
As it please the court, that record should not affect in advance before the court. I think the only outstanding issue now is the issue of submissions. I don't know
Yes.
if the court wants us to
Give me an indication.
resolve. The applicants are the first to submit, so perhaps they can indicate when they'll be ready to submit.
My Lord, may I propose that instead of, exchanging about small administrative things, is it appropriate if we see you in chambers so that we don't overburden your record?
You see, the issue-
regarding the issue of final submissions, etc. in the heads.
I need to postpone this matter to a date.
Yes, my Lord.
And that date to which I postpone, I must postpone in open court. That's the only dilemma. Now, do you want me to... What I can do is we can stand down today. I wouldn't want to come back to court and have people transported from the correctional facilities to here, simply to announce that the matter is now postponed to this and this, that day.
My Lord, maybe I did not make myself clear. What I was suggesting, we have already having these exchanges with our learned friends from the morning in terms of when we can exchange heads, our position in regard to the date of argument, etc. So we wanted to just discuss those with you in chambers, and then His Lordship can come back today and make an announcement.
Or if it's still today?
Yes, it's still today, my Lord. It's not like we are asking for...
I thought we were going to adjourn and then I have to come back.
That's why I said maybe I did not make myself clear. My apology for that. All right.
Miscommunication.
No,
Not
my Lord,
misunderstanding.
For me, it's not the miscommunication. I take a different footing, my Lord. But yes, I understand, my Lord.
All right.
We can do so.
Court will rise.
All rise.